How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can unclog your nozzle in the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Basically, before we start, the tools that you're going to need is the unclogging pin tool, a pliers, some oven glove, H1 Allen key or H20 Allen key, and lastly a filament. The easiest way to do this is to manually extrude the filament. For the step 1, you want to increase the temperature of the hot end to a temperature slightly higher than the required by the filament. PLA, for example, is set to the hot end temperature to 250. So you want to set it to that specific temperature right there, depending on your filament. From there, we can then manually extrude it. You want to click the loading button on the screen to extrude the filament manually. If you're using TPU, the loading button cannot be clicked more than 3 times. And avoid rapidly clicking the unloading button multiple times to prevent jamming or the filament entanglement, which will then look something like this. And from there, you want to observe whether the nozzle is extruding properly, as shown in this specific picture right here. The other thing that we can do is to just unclog it using a pin tool. Basically, you can poke the nozzle with a short or thin objects, and from there you will be able to unclog it easily. And lastly, we can unclog it with a pin tool and a cold pull. Now this is going to be the hardest one yet, so follow along. The first thing that you want to do is to move the x-axis to the appropriate height and move the head tool to the appropriate height and remove the front cover of the tool head for the next step, which will look something like this. Now you can pry this easily by just nudging your fingertips on the creases of the cover itself, and so it will expose the nozzle. From there, you then want to heat the hot end to at least 100 degrees Celsius for the PLA, for example, and then you want to remove the hot end while it's being heated, as you can see right here. Now, you can use pliers if you want to, but take note that this can be extremely hot. From there, you then want to pull the filament that's stuck between the nozzle itself, which will look something like this. Now, once again, you have to keep in mind that this procedure is going to be really hot, so you want to always use a glove. From there, you then want to place everything back together and you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.